Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching me from, I have good news for you, so don't skip this video. Pastor Chris Oyakhilome is going to be praying for sick people all over around the world, dubbed Healing Streams. We've had 2 programs this year. This is the 3rd one and the final one for this year. I'm going to show you how to participate in this program. I'm going to be leaving 2 links for you to use for this program. One is for you to register. The other one is for you to participate during the program. The links are going to be attached to this video. So you can use the first one for registering and then the second one to participate during the program, which is going to be on the 29th, the 30th, and the 31st of October. I would also like to use this opportunity to appeal to you to share the links to people who are sick, those on your contacts, people you know who are in critical conditions, to doctors, to nurses, to everywhere. Share it around. Someone's healing might be linked to you sharing this link. Thank you for watching this video, and I bet you that God is going to heal everyone that is sick who is going to participate in this 3 days program. God bless you.
Sing hallelujah to